Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Truist online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link dice.bank.truist.com/ui/login. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Truist Bank. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you'll be able to find the option for register now. Simply click on it and you'll be able to register for your account. But if you already have the account, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign into your account by providing your user ID, or you can also sign in with a QR code. So if you want to sign in with QR code, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in with a QR code. After that, you'll be able to sign in using the QR code. Otherwise, you can simply provide your user ID and password. Click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. If you want to save this user ID, check on this box, save user ID. If you have forgotten the user ID, you'll be able to find the option for forgot user ID. Simply click on it and you'll be able to recover it. Now what you have to do is enter your password. Click on the field of password and enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, reset password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the user ID and password, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen, and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Truist online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.